Alright, so we're going to take a peek at the garden here. Got all sorts of different hibiscus varieties going. And right here we got the cranberry hibiscus, also known as mahogany. And this one's kind of a pain in the ass to grow. It does have the most issues with like mealy bugs and that kind of thing. And I think it's mainly because of the way that some of the these little flowers start to cluster up. It's easier for them to hide inside of there. So what I do is I usually just will cut off any areas that are just heavily infested, and I'm constantly out here spraying it off with water daily, trying to just remove any kind of mealy bugs or aphids. Alright, so we're not going to see a whole lot of flowers today because a lot of these are just young little starts, but we got the Madame DuPont here. And we got another pink variety. I'm not sure exactly what kind this is. Might be Kaiser pink. I'm not totally certain. This is a brilliant red. I recently pruned it. And same with this one. This is a double pink actually. Recently pruned. Here's another double pink. This one is blooming really nicely. And eventually a lot of these other plants will get this big as well. Alright, this one is Pride of Hankins. This is one of my favorites here. This is called Creole Belle. And when this thing's in bloom, it just looks incredible. It has a red and white kind of swirl pattern going. Got some morning glory here. And this is a red Chinese hibiscus. This is a Hau, H-A-U, also called sea hibiscus. And some other tropical varieties here. This is a white tropical peach. This one is Cajun cocktail and Oh Me Oh My. These are some more of the cranberry. These are some cuttings I actually took of the bigger one that we were first looking at. So this is a native Hawaiian hibiscus, and it's called Hibiscus clayi. I believe this is another native one. It's called Arnotianos. And we got a little roselle start there. Another clay. And this is another native one. This one's really nice. We just got it. I don't know how to pronounce that. Colocao, maybe? This is a El Capitolio. And got some other stuff going here, a money tree. Tomatoes just going out of control. And some mint, catnip, clipdogga. And this is one more red Chinese. Alright, so we got our seedling starts here. And we have some that we're still waiting on to germinate. So this is Hibiscus Red Star. These ones were really easy to pop from seed. Didn't take long at all. In fact, in the paper towel, moist paper towel, it only took about 24 hours or so. And same with the Roselle. The Roselle hibiscus germinated really quick and easy. Also about 24 hours. The blue hibiscus is taking a bit of time. These are actually a little bit different. The seeds are really small. And apparently you just put them in the soil and keep the soil barely damp. So we'll see how that turns out. And then I also got my Rosa Sharon here that I'm waiting on. From what I understand, these can take some time to germinate, at least a couple weeks. I also have a couple in paper towels as well. And I do have some other hibiscus varieties in paper towels that we'll go and look at. Alright, so these are the hibiscus that are in the damp paper towels. Got 4 different types here. And they've only been in here for a couple days. Rosa Sharon, Hibiscus cannabinus, turn of the century, it's Hibiscus mostrutos, and then we got a White Star. The White Star, last I checked, one of them was already popping a little tail, and the rest of them were still waiting on some action.